Hi, and welcome to Feast with Cornese. I'm Cornese. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Click your subscribe button, click your notification bell to all, so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Like this video if you like it, comment, leave one, share me. Let's get into it. Today we will be doing a TikTok viral challenge. So here it goes. This is a TikTok challenge of a snack, and I wish I would have got more than 2 kinds, but I got tropical punch Kool-Aid and cherry Kool-Aid. Now, you can't add sugar to this. What we should do is put it on these, shake them up, and eat them. And we will see how they taste. So first, we're gonna go with the cherry. Let's do cherry strawberry, guys. Sprinkle it all on there. Get it all good on there. Do the whole thing. That's scary. So I'm gonna do the fruit punch on the watermelon. This seems like it's gonna be so fun, guys. Try it. I'm gonna do the cherry on the pineapple. Pineapple is my favorite fruit. We're gonna do we're gonna do 2 more fruit punches. Cause to tell you guys the truth, I don't know what happened. I pulled 3 cherries. When I got home, it was 2 cherries and an extra fruit punch. So I don't know who messed up, but it wasn't me. Okay, let's get that straight right now. Okay. Anywho, I'm gonna do the last, which those are melon dews. What are those, y'all? I know you guys know. Honeydews, something my granny used to call them too. I don't forgot. But I know that's cantaloupe. So I'm gonna put some on there. And then what you do is shake it up. So, yeah. Shake this, shake this, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Y'all know something, Kool-Aid stain really good. Like, you see how red that look? Ooh, I'm excited to try this. I am so excited. It smells so good. Oh, what did we put on there? Did we put cherry or, no, this is fruit punch. So we got 3 fruit punches, which is this one, this one, this one. And the strawberry and the pineapple are cherry. So I'm gonna shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I think that one shaked up good enough. We're gonna shake all of them. What do you guys think it's gonna taste like? Have you guys ever had that? Leave it in the comments. And what did you guys eat? Because see, I remember eating Kool-Aid out of the packets when we were small. You put the sugar in, you know, and you shake it up. And like I remember, I think they were dipsticks. You guys remember that? Of that, it was Kool-Aid in the packet. Way back in the day, it used to be 3 to 6 flavors. And you could get the extra large one, or you could get the 3-pack. You guys know what I'm talking about. Had that little white stick with it, and it was a candy stick. That was the bomb. Okay? And we dipped the stick and ate it. I'm gonna try first. Ooh. I'm gonna try, you guys wanna see that? I mean, the pineapple came around the side, but it's still there. That is amazing. So we're gonna try this one. Here we go. Boy. That smells so good. It smells so cherry. I'm stalling because I'm so scared. What if the fruit is not sweet? Here goes. Oh! You know what? Oh. Why? It's a good flavor. And it'd be a very great snack if sugar was added to that. But it tastes is very tardy. Let's get that straight. It's very tardy. But the pineapple and the cherry, it fits. Y'all know what I'm gonna do when we get off camera, right? When you leave and I go in there and we turn this off, I'm gonna eat the rest of these and put some sugar on them. So I'm not gonna eat another one. I'm gonna put that over to the side. Now, so, So I no longer know what this is because everything is red. So that's the surprise behind it, I guess. So I'm gonna take one and we'll figure out what this is. So this is cantaloupe with fruit punch. That's very good. It's not as tardy. That cherry is super tardy. I want to try the grape now. It's tardy. But it's not that tardy. I'm scared to do another cherry. The cherry gonna light you guys fire, okay? I like the pineapple and the cantaloupe. I like both flavors. The cherry is just tart. Really tart. Let's try surprise strawberries. Oh, I'm gonna shake it again, you guys, cause it don't. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Let's try this strawberry. Go on, try it. Y'all should want to try it. You want to see me eat it. So here you go. I'm trying to share with you. Come on, or grab another chair and sit to this table with me. And try these. I'm still stalling, but we ain't gonna talk about that. We just gonna eat it. My bowl should have been bigger, Ash. I'm just saying. It's good. I'm so much adding sugar to this. It's good. The cherry is just very tarty. I'm going to try the lemon Kool-Aid next. I'm going to try it. Here goes. Guys, I don't know if this is a... Wait, we had 3 tropicals, right? Great. I'm ready for this then. Ready. So, oh, man. here goes. Okay. And I don't know what this fruit is anymore either. So I think it's the... We'll see. Okay. I think they're going to taste the same. Is this cheating for scraping half of it off? Because it's tarty. What's funny to me is that this is watermelon. And you can still taste the tart. But I think the watermelon is sweet enough to not be so overwhelmed with it. That's good. That's a good flavor with the watermelon. Last but not least, that gotta be that green one, you guys. That has to be that green one. I want you to leave in the comments down below. Is it... Oh my God, I got Kool-Aid on my lashes. I want you to leave in the oh my God. I want you to leave in the comments below who's gonna try it. I challenge you to do it. I really do. That'll come in handy too later on this month. My hands are horrible. Last but not least, let's see. So y'all think if it's green, it might be sweet? I'm just saying, it might be sweet. So here goes. Man, it's real dark. Like, it's really, really dark. And I'm just there at this point. Might as well. Don't do that one. That's a whole mixture of, I don't know, Kool-Aid. Because the fruit they don't do nothing for it, okay? Anyways, you ones that love challenges and stuff like that, and I'm pretty sure someone will challenge me one day to something. That don't mean I'm going to do it. That don't mean you have to do it. But if you would like to do it, I challenge you to try it. And I really enjoyed this, guys. At the end of the day, that's it. This was not a feast, you guys. This was a TikTok challenge. So, until later, and in my next feast, which is tomorrow, I'll see you guys then. Thank you for doing this with me. Thank you for all your support. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. Sorry. Click your notification bell to all so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment so we can communicate back and forth. Share this video. And until the next time, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.